5 years ago, this place was basically abandoned. Now it's where I run my Etsy business, build products, and spend most of my time creating. The problem is, somewhere along the way, it became complete chaos. Look at the state of this place. I really want to start filming in here, but I think I've got to sort it all out first. One thing I'm discovering very quickly, filming for YouTube is a lot harder than I thought. In the past, I just come in the workshop and start creating, making anything I want, no order, no structure to it. I know what's efficient when I'm making things, but now I've got to think about camera angle, lighting, sound. I've got aeroplanes flying past all the time, so then I have to stop. Is it actually interesting to watch? It's going to look lovely. Eventually, hopefully. It definitely doesn't look lovely now. The annoying thing is, it still works, kind of. I can still make products, I can get my orders out, but every job takes longer than it should because I'm constantly looking for things, moving things around. So I don't know if it's just me, disorganised, or is every workshop like this? I've been waiting for everything to be perfect. The perfect workshop, perfect camera, perfect plan. But if I wait for it all to be perfect, I'm never going to start. You see so many YouTubers, and this is a good thing, with beautiful backgrounds, lovely workshops, all those nice lights up there. Everything's organised, and that's definitely the goal. That's where I'm shooting for, what I'm aiming for. Aeroplane. But I enjoy making more than tidying, so I'm going to chip away. One of the main culprits for the mess and why I'm spending all this time organising is that storage is the bottleneck. Every new Etsy item means more packaging, more stock, more tools. And with a curved walls, I can't just keep adding shelves. So I have to be really smart how I use this space. Let's get started. Instead of trying to fix the whole workshop, I've decided to focus on one side. I'd already started sorting this side out before I started filming, but there's still a lot of tidying to be done. And honestly, I don't really know how to lay it out until I start working in there. So when I start working, I'll have a better idea of where I want everything. Looking back, I'd forgotten how bad this place actually was. Sometimes I get so focused on what's left to do, I forget how far it's already come. What a difference. Anyway, let's keep tidying. I decided to put a wall up in this area for two reasons. One, it separates my clean machines with some more dirtier machines. I have my 3D printers and my clean side, and the other side, just behind it, I have my CNC machine that creates a lot of sawdust and mess. When you're filming YouTube, is that you don't realise what videos you're missing until you start editing. I've started editing and realised I've missed half the story. So I've come back a week later, new haircut, different clothes, to finish my story for this video. Hopefully by video 10, I'll know what I'm doing. I'd actually be really interested to know, have you got a curved workshop? How do you deal with it? What's your solution? Comment below, tell me, send me photos, help me out here. Is there something I haven't thought of? It's probably really obvious. I do have racking, but because of the curved workshop, it can't be too high. So I needed to cut them down so they fit under that desk. I had a great idea to try and film some fancy shots with the angle grinder. So I got myself a bit distracted and started trying to figure out a way to mount my GoPro to my angle grinder. This is a great example of me getting easily distracted. A quick and easy job, cutting some shelves down, rebuilding them and stacking them. Probably take about an hour. I think I spent about an hour just trying to fix the GoPro to the angle grinder and try and get some fancy shots. And most of it's been edited out anyway. But I guess that's how you learn. That's one thing I'm finding out trying to film for YouTube. Everything takes so much longer. And then as I'm editing, it all gets cut out anyway. I just need to find a good balance. I'll probably end up changing the shells around at some point once I know what stock I actually want to put in there. But for now, I think that'll do the job. This side of the workshop is starting to look pretty good. This side, not so much. It's a complete mess. We'll ignore that. It's not perfect. I'm not going for perfection, but honestly, it doesn't matter. This side is good enough that helps me to create things, which is what I'm aiming for. Aeroplane. Something I have realised is that making products is relatively easy. It's my job. Prop making, special effects, prosthetics. That's what I do. For Etsy, people need to see what I'm doing. So the only way to do that is to promote it, promote myself, promote my business, promote my products. One of the reasons I wanted to start filming is because I realised I spend all my day around these machines. There's 3D printers, a UV printer, CO2 laser, fibre laser, sublimation. Not everyone gets to see how this stuff works. So you can see how I use them, how I'm learning, follow along with me, figuring stuff out. I'm no expert. We can learn together. In my head, I know exactly what I want this workshop to become. The challenge is getting there, one project at a time. I genuinely don't know if anyone's going to watch this video, but that's okay. I'm learning. But I think I'd regret it more not making it. You got to start somewhere. Hopefully I'm going to look back on this video when my edits and style and everything's so much better, and I'm going to laugh. Genuinely have no idea if anyone's going to see this video, so if you are watching, thank you. Be kind in the comments. I'd regret it more if I didn't make this video. I got to start somewhere. I'm learning filming myself, I'm learning editing, and this is kind of just a starting block to get me used to everything as I move forward. I just want to make stuff and just document it along the way, and hopefully it'll be interesting to watch. The workshop's still a mess. It's nowhere near finished. I'm excited to keep going, to improve it. Hopefully you're going to follow me on my journey. It's definitely better than when I started. But for now, that's enough. People ask me, living next to Gatwick, is it annoying? All the planes flying past all the time? No, you get used to it. It's fine. I still started filming these videos. Oh my God. I don't know if it gets picked up with this mic. I guess I'll find out when I edit. I might be able to cut it out and then you won't have a clue what I'm talking about. But I'm now suddenly really conscious of the airplanes going past and how loud they are. Maybe I should have soundproofed this place a bit better. Aeroplane. Comment below how many aeroplanes. Oh, they're like every 30 seconds. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Airplane. Plane. Airplane. Airplane. Aeroplane. Aeroplane.